Today I want to show you how to remove the load-bearing wall and install the recessed beam. Hi, this is Ali from EA Home Design. As an award-winning designer, we want to show you how to design your space better and have a smoother remodeling. Please see this video all the way to the end in order to see the changes that will happen with removing this load-bearing wall. Please don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. We have lots of new tips every day for you. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. You see how much the change happened after we removed the load-bearing wall? Please don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube. This is gonna help us to make more video for you guys. Have a great one.